Hello friends. I am Satish Lele. This video is part of my chemical process piping channel on YouTube. This video is about statutory requirements. Vessel spacing should take into consideration unobstructed distance between vessel shelf or between vessel shelf and nearest edge of adjacent. This is applicable to equipment, property lines, and buildings. Key issues related to layout. These are terrain, safety and environment, plant piping location, basic considerations, dividing in blocks, location and wrapper, prevailing wide, and layout indication. Terrain. It should be taken into account whether it is leveled site, if it is slopey, how to take advantage of slope. Available space can help to govern whether plant can be on one floor or several stories. Physical setting should be considered in light of transportation requirements for raw materials, products, wastes and supplies. Safety and environment. Environmental regulations such as local, national and international should be followed. Safety regulations, including health and welfare needs, should be followed. Handling of hazardous and flammable materials should be considered. Handling of toxic chemicals should be done with protection measures. Design codes. Plant site is governed by particular codes for building, piping, plumbing, electrical and other codes. Plant piping location. It should balance between operator access via central aisle, outlet sides of two lines of equipment such as pumps, for instance, should point toward each other so that they can be readily hooked to one common line. Basic considerations. The plant layout shall be arranged to maximize safety, prevent spread of fire, facilitate easy operation and maintenance, consider future expansion, and to economize project. Dividing in blocks. Plant site shall be divided into blocks in consideration of hazards attendant to plant operation in area. All block areas shall be formed as square as possible, divided by access roads and or boundary line. Location. Whether prevailing wide. Plant layout shall be arranged in consideration of geographic location and rather in region of site. Administration and service facilities and directly fired equipment, etc., shall not be located windward of process units and storage tanks, etc. Plant layout. Consideration should be given to main road, rail access ways, and jetty. Location of pipeline to and from plant. Direction of prevailing wide. Local law and regulation which may affect location of units and storage facilities. Natural elevation for location of upstream and downstream units and equipment. Location of control room. It should be located as close as possible to the plant equipment, maintaining minimum distance from viewpoint of noise and safety requirements. It shall be spaced at least 15 meters from nearest process equipment surface. Control room shall be positioned so the operator can command view of whole system which is under his control. Large buildings or equipment shall not be placed in front of control room. Location of electrical substation. Control room and substation shall be located with consideration to convenient and daily operation. Control room and substation shall be located from economical standpoint so as to minimize length of electrical and instrument cables entering and leaving it. Building requirements. Service buildings require protection of personnel from possible fires and explosions of major plant equipment and may require require additional spacing from high-risk facilities. Service buildings shall be located near the entrance of plant and be readily accessible to public road or highway. Spacing for buildings shall be in accordance with insurance recommendation. Thanks for learning. If you like this video, please give a like to my channel and subscribe it.